Hello. During an on-site visit to a wholesale market for decorative materials, we found that the South China, Nangua, Decorative Materials City has been in operation since 2012. Located in Luoyuan Town, Nanhai District, Foshan City, near major export ports such as Nansha Port and Huangpu Port. The entire market complex covers an area of approximately 340,000 square meters and houses more than 800 stores. It is divided into 5 major zones: A, B, C, D, and a collection of ceramics, bathroom fixtures, stone, hardwood flooring, doors and windows, fabrics, paints, home decor, and energy-efficient and eco-friendly decorative materials. Products available in the market include ceramics, bathroom fixtures, stone, hardwood flooring, doors and windows, fabrics, paints, home decor, and energy-efficient and eco-friendly decorative materials. Product industry clusters are located in regions such as Foshan, Dongguan, Zhongshan, Chaozhou, and Jiamen. For example, the stone industry cluster is in Yunfu City, while the ceramic tile industry cluster is in Foshan, Zhaoqing, and Yunfu. Next, I'll share some insights on projects involving simultaneous procurement from multiple suppliers and small batch orders. Projects often involve simultaneous procurement from multiple suppliers, and the client's project procurement managers frequently lack the necessary capabilities and resources. It is often difficult to keep on top of all the various stages involved, such as screening factories, placing orders with multiple suppliers simultaneously, monitoring production, inspecting goods, and arranging transport. Thanks to the database of manufacturers and the volume of purchases we have built up through long-term partnerships, we are usually able to secure priority in production, scheduling, and greater flexibility from suppliers, whilst benefiting from minimum order quantities and competitive pricing. Located in a hub for industrial clusters, factory audit resources, risk identification for local factories. At the same time, we are carrying out on-site monitoring of production at several factories to keep abreast of production developments at each facility and to consolidate progress reports. We can provide early warning of which shipments are due for delay and whether this will affect the overall collection and dispatch of goods, to assist the client's project procurement manager in filling the gap, thereby preventing any disruption to the project's progress. Small batch orders are uneconomical or the project scale is not suitable. The biggest problem is that they do not meet the factory's minimum order quantity. When placing a single order, factories will either refuse it, force the customer to order an additional batch of goods they won't need in order to meet the minimum order quantity, or charge a premium for small orders. We have the capacity to screen a vast number of factories and identify those that offer competitive quotations from among them. By maintaining stable, long-term partnerships with factories and negotiating on the basis of our volume of business over time, the factory is willing to offer prices close to those for bulk orders, even if the purchase volume for this particular order is not large. If it so happens that another customer has placed a similar order at the same factory, we will also consider coordinating to combine the orders to meet the minimum order quantity. Provided there is sufficient time, wait for the factory to consolidate orders with other customers to reduce the production costs per batch. Alternatively, you could commission a factory specializing in small batch production. In addition, we have a carrier database that allows us to select the carrier offering the best value for money. Taken together, these approaches can help clients avoid situations where they are forced to pay more due to low order volumes or are held back by minimum order quantities, thereby preventing them from exceeding their budget and incurring a loss on the project. Map coordinate distribution of factories for various products in China. The detailed information for each factory map coordinate contains over 100 items. All factory information is then scored across these dimensions. Rigorously select the best factories from a massive pool of factories. How can I help you? Goodbye.